Have you ever felt lost while trying to configure Git for your projects? It can be overwhelming, right? If you're struggling with understanding refspecs in Git, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down what refspecs are and why they matter. I totally get it. Many developers have faced confusion when diving into Git's more complex features. You're not alone in this. Understanding refspecs is crucial for effective version control, especially when integrating with tools like Jenkins. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, "What exactly is refspec and why is it necessary in my GitLab and Jenkins setup?" They found a guide, but were left puzzled about the refspec configuration. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what is a refspec? In simple terms, a refspec is a way to specify which references to fetch or push in Git. It defines the mapping between local and remote branches. Understanding this is key to managing your repositories effectively. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a tip that will make your Git experience smoother and more efficient. To understand what a refspec is, the user should know that it defines how Git maps references from a remote repository to local references. Essentially, it tells Git which branches or tags to fetch or push. In the provided refspec, the user sees two parts. The first part, plus refs heads asterisk, indicates that all branches from the remote repository should be fetched. The asterisk acts as a wildcard. The second part of the refspec, plus refs merge requests asterisk head, is crucial for working with merge requests. This tells Git to fetch all merge request branches, allowing Jenkins to access them during the CI process. By using this refspec, the user ensures that both regular branches and merge requests are available in Jenkins. This is important for continuous integration, as it allows Jenkins to build and test all relevant code changes. Fun fact, did you know that Git was created by Linus Torvalds in 2005? It was designed to handle the development of the Linux kernel, and now it's a staple in software development worldwide. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that a refspec in Git defines how references from a remote repository map to your local repository. With the introduction of Git version 2.29, refspecs can now also exclude certain references. This means you can selectively fetch or push branches, allowing for more control over what gets transferred between repositories. Negative refspecs are prefixed with a caret symbol and allow users to specify which references to exclude. This feature enhances the ability to manage branches by allowing complex patterns while ensuring that only desired references are included in operations. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your refspec configurations when setting up integrations. A small mistake can lead to big headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now understand what refspecs are and why they are essential for your Git and Jenkins setup. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and remember to keep exploring the world of Git.